Good afternoon, students. Today we discuss about elasticity of demand. Elasticity means some change, whether increase or decrease. Elasticity means some change. So elasticity of demand. In sometimes demand increases and in sometimes demand decreases basis on price of different type of commodities and services. Means here is the price is the main important role playing to change the quantity of the demand. Elasticity of demand. Elasticity of demand means here the demand, quantity of the demand changes. So elasticity of the demand means complete definition in economics. The price, a small change in the price leads to greater change in the demand. So the proportionate, the percentage change in the quantity of the demand, the proportionate change in the price of good is known as elasticity of demand. Means how much proportionate change came in the price of good and how much proportionate change in the quantity of the demand. But here is the change is important. Elasticity of demand means the percentage change in the quantity of the demand due to percentage change in the its price of commodity or service is known as elasticity of demand. So this is the symbol to measure the elasticity. P is equal percentage change in quantity of demand by percentage change in price of good known as elasticity of demand. The percentage change in the quantity of demand by percentage change in the price of good is known as elasticity of demand. This elasticity of demand divided into 5 types. Perfect elasticity, perfect inelasticity, unitary elasticity, relatively elasticity, relatively inelasticity. First one, perfect elasticity. Perfect inelasticity. Third one, unitary elasticity. Fourth one, relatively elasticity. Fifth one, relatively inelasticity. Okay, perfect elasticity, perfect inelasticity, unitary elasticity, relatively elasticity, relatively inelasticity. So let me discuss about perfect elasticity. Perfect elasticity means here is the percentage change in the quantity of the demand. Means here is a small change in the price leads to greater change in the quantity of the demand. A small change in the price leads to infinite change in the quantity of the demand is known as perfect elasticity of demand. EP equal to infinite. The price increase or the quantity of the demand. Immeasurable change in the quantity of the demand is known as perfect elasticity of the demand, infinite elasticity of the demand. Okay, so due to this diagram we easily understand about this perfect elasticity of the demand. Y-axis represent the price, X-axis represent the quantity of the demand. Quantity of the demand. Okay, so a small change in the price and leads to greater change in the infinite change in the demand. Q1, Q2 like that. Okay. Price only small changes, but here is the quantity of the demand infinitely change. So this situation is known as the perfect elasticity of the demand, EP equal to infinite. And second one is the perfect inelasticity of the demand, EP equal to 0. Means here is the price change, but the quantity of the demand never change, unchanged. Whether the price increase or decrease, but the quantity of the demand remaining same, no change, and EP equal to 0. So that is known as the perfect inelasticity. Inelasticity means no change. Elasticity means some change. You remember here, elasticity means some change, whether increase or decrease. Inelasticity means no change. No change in the quantity of the demand. So here EP equal to 0. Next, let you see this diagram. Y-axis represent the price and X-axis represent the same quantity of the demand. So price level P1 and P2 like that. But here is the quantity of the demand is remaining same, only Q. The price increase or decrease. The price increase or decrease. The quantity of the demand is never change. So here is the like a vertical. Here is the demand curve vertical to x-axis. Vertical to x-axis. But in perfect elasticity, horizontal to x-axis. Horizontal to x-axis. Next, let me discuss about unitary elasticity. Unitary elasticity means how much proportionate change in the price, the equal proportionate change in the quantity of the demand. For example, 1% change in the price of commodity and demand also changes in 1% only. So here is the EP equal to infinite and EP equal to 0, but here is the EP equal to 1. Equal to 1. So this is the unitary elasticity of the demand. And unitary elasticity of the demand diagram here. Y-axis represent the price and x-axis quantity of demand, P and P1, then Q and Q1. How much proportionate change in the price of good, equal proportionate change in the quantity of the demand. This is the demand curve of unitary elasticity, ED. EP equal to 1 means here is the price and quantity of the demand both are same, equal proportionate. Price level increases from OP to OP1, quantity level increases from OQ to OQ1. Equal change. How much proportionate increases the price of good, equal proportionate increases the quantity of the demand. That is the unitary elasticity. Third one. And next fourth one, relatively elasticity. Relatively elasticity means EP greater than 1. EP greater than 1. The percentage change in the quantity of the demand greater than percentage change in the price. The percentage change in the quantity of demand greater than percentage change in the price. So, fourth diagram. Quantity and price. Okay, here you see O, P and P1, Q and Q. The percentage change in the price greater than percentage change in the quantity of the demand. The price and quantity of the demand. D is the EP greater than 1, means quantity high and price is less. Okay, ma'am? Greater than change in the quantity of the demand. Okay, greater than 1. And next one, the relatively inelasticity of the demand. Relatively inelasticity of the demand opposite to relatively elasticity of the demand. EP less than 1. EP less than 1. The percentage change in the quantity of the demand less than percentage change in its price. Okay, less than percentage change in its life. And next here, relatively inelasticity always less than 1. Here is the greater than 1. Perfect relatively elasticity EP greater than 1. And relatively inelasticity EP less than 1. So opposite diagram here. Fifth diagram. Y and X. Price level on y-axis, quantity of the demand on x-axis. So P, P1, Q, Q1 means this is the D1 is the EP less than 1. EP less than 1. So P, P1. Quantity and price. Price is high, quantity is less. Here is the price is less, quantity is high. Relatively inelasticity, both are opposite. So elasticity of the demand divided into 5 types: perfect elasticity, perfect inelasticity, relatively elasticity, relatively inelasticity, and unitary elasticity. 5 types. So elasticity means some change. Inelasticity means no change. So perfect elasticity means infinite elasticity. And perfect inelasticity means 0, equal to 0. And unitary elasticity means equal to 1. Unitary relatively elasticity means greater than 1. And relatively inelasticity means less than 1. Okay. And tomorrow we discuss another topic, 5 marks point of view. In some times, so 10 marks point of view also this question given.